You know the ones, those viral TikToks and Instagram posts promising flawless skin with the latest miracle product or hack. What if I told you? You've probably been falling for skincare trends that are just wasting your money. Yep, I said it. The skincare industry is full of fads that look good on paper but don't actually deliver results. So today, we're going to break down the most popular skincare trends that you can skip and show you how to save your hard-earned cash while still getting glowing, healthy skin. But before we get into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more honest skincare tips. Let's get into it! First up, let's talk about the 10-step skincare routine. It sounds like a dream, right? Cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, eye cream, mask, you name it. But here's the thing. Most of us don't need all of that. In fact, sticking to an overly complicated routine can often do more harm than good. Not only does it take forever to apply, but over-exfoliating, layering too many products, or using products with conflicting ingredients can irritate your skin. Plus, you're spending way more money on products you don't need. Let's be real, simple is better. Focus on a basic routine with the essentials: cleanse, moisturize, and protect with sunscreen. Your skin will thank you. Next up, we have charcoal masks. They've been all over the internet for years, promising to detoxify, and cleanse your pores. But the truth? Charcoal can be really harsh on your skin, especially if you have sensitive or dry skin. While they can feel like they're pulling out all the gunk, charcoal masks often strip your skin of essential oils, leading to dryness, irritation, and redness. And no one wants that, right? Instead, try gentler options like hydrating masks or clay masks with ingredients that support your skin's natural barrier. You don't need to slather on harsh products for healthy skin. Let's talk about these tiny little miracle serums that cost a fortune. You know the ones that promise to reverse wrinkles, brighten dark spots, and make you look 10 years younger overnight? Well, spoiler alert, those aren't happening. Some of these serums can be really expensive because of fancy packaging and brand names. But many of them are packed with overpriced ingredients that don't give you results any faster than a cheaper product would. You can achieve the same effects with simpler, budget-friendly serums that focus on hydration and treating specific skin concerns. Save your money for products with proven ingredients like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and retinol. Those work wonders without breaking the bank. Now, don't get me wrong, these viral tools, for example, jade rollers and gua sha tools, look super cute and have been all over Instagram. They're said to reduce puffiness, increase circulation, and even help with contouring your face. But do they really work? While these tools might feel relaxing and can help with a temporary feeling of depuffing, there's no solid evidence to suggest they work as effectively as advertised. If you love them for the relaxation factor, go for it, but don't expect miracle results. Instead of spending money on the latest trendy tools, focus on your skincare ingredients, hydration, and SPF. Those are the real game changers. And lastly, let's talk about the DIY skincare hacks floating around. Sure, slathering honey on your face might sound great in theory, but it's not always the best choice for your skin. Some DIY ingredients can cause irritation or allergies. And frankly, you have no idea how sanitary or safe these at-home concoctions are. Stick to products formulated by experts to ensure they're safe and effective for your skin. So, there you have it. The truth about skincare trends that are just wasting your money. You don't need to fall for the latest viral product or fad to have beautiful, glowing skin. The key is consistency and focusing on simple, proven products that suit your skin type. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Have you fallen for any of these trends? Or do you have a favorite product that you swear by? Let me know. And remember, your best skincare routine is one that works for you. No fancy trends required. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay glowing!